Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to view your keyboard shortcuts on YouTube. So if you want to see what the keyboard shortcuts are for youtube.com, and then I'll show you how to view them. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up your YouTube channel. So kailangan lang natin i-open ang ating YouTube channel, and then open lang natin ang ating Chrome browser. And once nakapag-login ka na dito sa ating YouTube channel, so dito lang sa top right corner, so makikita mo dito yung ating YouTube profile. So i-click mo lang yan. And next step, so scroll down ka lang. And then makikita mo kaagad dito yung keyboard shortcuts, right? And then itap mo lang dito. And then keyboard shortcuts, nandito na lahat yung mga keyboard shortcuts sa YouTube na pwede nating gamitin. So nandito yung kanyang playback, yung toggle play, rewind, fast forward, previous video, next video, previous frame, next frame, decrease, playback rate, and then dito naman sa general, nandito yung toggle full screen, toggle theater mode, toggle mini player, close mini player or current dialogue, and yung toggle mode. So, pwede mong gamitin itong kanyang keyboard shortcut para mas madali sa pag-browse natin dito sa YouTube mga kaibigan. Alright, and ganito lang kasimple, click mo lang yung keyboard shortcut at makikita mo kaagad dito. Okay, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to see keyboard shortcuts on YouTube. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.